Hey everyone, today I will show you how to see Instagram search history. And here's how it is done. Launch the app on your mobile device. Tap the magnifying glass icon or search at the bottom of the screen. At the top, tap the search bar to see your recent searches. A list of your recent search queries will appear. These are your most recent searches, divided into categories like accounts, hashtags, or places. To view or manage complete search history, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap the hamburger menu three lines in the top right corner, then select your activity. Tap Search History under your activity menu. Here you will see a more comprehensive list of your past searches. To delete a specific search, tap the X next to it. To clear all search history, tap Clear All at the top of the screen, then confirm your choice. And that is everything you need to know about how to see Instagram search history. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.